Welcome to this week's edition of the Regtech Africa News Roundup. And here are the top headlines for the week.
NAICOM highlights AI's potential to boost insurance sector profitability. Foreign exchange regulations impacting cross-border commerce. Traders report. Ghana's National Insurance Commission advocates for wider access through inclusive insurance. Kenya's ICT Ministry pushes for new digital ID and AI regulations. In the world, CFPB and EU collaborate to tackle consumer risks in emerging financial technologies. China's central bank launches $70 billion tech re-lending initiative. EU cracks down on biometric data misuse under GDPR regulations. Now the news in details. The Commissioner for Insurance and CEO of the National Insurance Commission NAICOM, Sunday Thomas, has emphasized the pivotal role of artificial intelligence AI in shaping the future of the insurance industry in Nigeria. Represented by Jibola Olabisi Bankole, the Deputy Director of NAICOM's Lagos office, Thomas urged insurance providers to embrace AI technologies, highlighting AI's capacity to enhance productivity, profitability, and efficiency in service delivery and claim settlement for insurance consumers. Traders engaged in cross-border activities have voiced concerns that the foreign exchange policies implemented by the Central Bank of Nigeria (CBN), which require the repatriation of foreign earnings, adversely affecting trade within Africa. These grievances were shared by Nasiru Salami, the president of the Transborder Traders Association. Let's go for a short break, and when we come back, the news continues.
Welcome to the 2024 Regtech Africa Conference and Awards, happening in the city of Lagos, Nigeria, on the 23rd and 24th of May 2024. This event promises 2 days of unparalleled insights and interaction. Theme: Harnessing Partnerships for Africa's Prosperity, Bridging the Data Trust Gap. 50+ speakers, 1,000+ participants. Join us as we empower women in Regtech and captivating roundtable discussions. Calling all C-level executives, regulators, policymakers, investors, and key industry stakeholders. This is your platform to drive innovation and regulatory excellence. Register now and be part of this transformative experience at the 2024 Regtech Africa Conference and Awards. Engage, connect, collaborate. See you there.
In Africa, the Central Regional Office of the National Insurance Commission (NIC) recently hosted a stakeholder engagement event centered on enhancing economic development in the Central Region through inclusive insurance. The event was aimed to raise awareness and deepen understanding of inclusive insurance among both the public and industry stakeholders in Ghana. Kenya's Cabinet Secretary for Information and Communication Technology, Eliud Owalo, has announced his ministry's initiative to propose new legislation aimed at regulating the use of generative AI technologies in Kenya. In addition, Eliud highlighted the ongoing efforts to introduce a digital ID system to improve citizens' access to both public and private services. On the global scene, top consumer protection officials from the United States and European Commission have recently convened to deliberate on key issues impacting consumer finance, buy now, pay later, BNPL schemes, digital payments, and artificial intelligence AI. The series of meetings build on a commitment made in July 2023 by the United States. China's central bank has announced the establishment of a $70 billion re-lending program aimed at supporting the nation's science and technology sectors. Under this program, loans will be extended to small and mid-sized technology companies through 21 banks at an interest rate of 1.75%. And finally, the hammer is coming down on the misuse of biometric data as national privacy regulators enforce stringent actions for breaches of EU data protection laws. In Italy, the nation's privacy watchdog has issued a stern warning to WorldCoin about its iris scanning technology. The biometric identity company offers cryptocurrency in exchange for iris scans using a device called the Orb. While in Greece and Spain, the effectiveness of GDPR as an enforcement mechanism is evident in recent hefty fines in both countries. The Hellenic Data Protection Authority fined Greece's Ministry of Migration and Asylum €175,000 for inadequate cooperation and insufficient impact assessment related to biometric entry and exit systems on the Aegean Islands.
And that's it, Regtech Africa News Roundup. Join us again next week for all other important news updates.